Ang bahaging ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Hanyuls Spa.
Thank you so much, Doc Harris and Samantha Page, and to all our televiewers, if you have the looks, the body, and the talent, just log on to www.facebook.com/showupnambayan at i-post na ang pinakamagandang picture para makasali kayo sa aming Starcade, the star of the new decade.
And let's proceed to the new university and colleges showdown here in Show Up What You've Got.
Okay, this competition is open to all universities and colleges. So here are the mechanics of
Siyempre,
the game.
lahat naman po ng tinatawag na competition may tinatawag na mechanics. At ito po yung mechanics natin. Voting system is 60%. Simple lang. You can go to www.facebook.com/showupnambayan and like yung like nyo na nalikean nyo na grupo. Like, diba?
Yes.
Okay, go. Meron tayong choreography, 20%. Costume and stage present, 10%, and audience and appeal factor, 10%, for a grand total of 100%!
Woohoo! Ayan, alive talaga tayo sa Show Up ang campus edition, di ba? Ayan. At syempre, hindi makokompleto yan nang wala tayong mga nagagandahan at napakagwapong judges, di ba? Let's start off with our first judge. Let me call on, syempre, Miss Francine Prieto, radio DJ, Wow FM 103.5, a movie and TV actress, one of the hosts of the newest show in PTV4, Viajero. Ayan. Judge number 2, actor in 17, a commercial model, Mr. Tariq. Last but not least, judge number 3, beauty icon of the new generation, host of Viajero of PTV4, the executive producer of Show Up, Miss MJ. So, let's move on.
Okay, simulan na natin to dahil alam ko sobrang excited na tayo! So, syempre, let's start up. Syempre, ang grupo natin is from Oxfordian Colleges, Dasmariñas, Cavite, 316 Dancers!
So I say thank you for the music, the song.
Father, we thank you for waking us up this morning. Thank you for surrounding us with your guardian angels as we slept. We thank you for waking our family, friends, and loved ones as well. Keeping us safe. We thank you for waking our enemies this day, Father. Stand in the gap with Jason Terrell Taylor. And pray that he's continued as a child of yours. He's continued in your grace. He's continued with the blessings.
Switch up the game. I go deep, so deep, till you see count sheep wake you up from nowhere.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
I need is the DJ.
all the way in VIP. I'm a rapper. I can snatch her, and she will leave with me.
16 dancers.
Ay, grabe. Yung...
Wow,
Wala-
come on. Ano,
Wala-
speechless ka, Marco. Speechless ka.
Oh, yung isa, tumambling tapos split ang datingan eh.
Yes, alam mo, gusto ko talaga sa grupo na yan. May isang babae pero she's like one of the boys.
Grabe,
One of the boys.
gustong-gusto ko yung tiyan ni ate.
Yes.
Sobra.
Oh, so wala tayong masabi, di ba? Pasa na natin sa mga hurado, di ba?
Tama.
Para naman, ano masasabi ng ating mga judges. Let's start off with our judge number 1, Miss Francine.
Unang-una sa lahat, hello muna sa ating mga audience! Ayan, Oxfordian College. Ayan. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko yung inyong costume. Very pang Christmas season na, di ba? Gusto ko yung choreography nyo dahil sabay-sabay kayong lahat. Yung energy nyo okay din pero parang hindi nyo masyado na-maintain. At nangihinayang ako dun sa mga highlights na pinakita ninyo kasi ang gaganda sana. Kaso lang yung iba nasa gilid, nasa likuran. So sana, di ba yung highlights mas sana binigyan natin ng emphasis para lalong magulat at ang ating mga audience. Yung lang yung aking mako-comment. Pero hayaan nyo, malay nyo naman, di ba bumongga ang inyong vote sa Facebook. So, boto-boto lang syempre mga supporters nyo. Yun lang aking masasabi.
Yes, ayan. Nakasalalay talaga ang winner natin sa ating mga supporters sa Facebook, di ba? Ayan. So, let's move on to our next judge, Mr. Tariq.
Hello! Alright. Oxfordian College. Gusto ko yung choice ng music nyo, yung uniform nyo. Pero nakulangan ako sa energy nyo. Yun lang.
Oh, nagkulangan pero syempre gagalingan yan. Ano naman masasabi ng ating third judge, Miss MJ?
Ayan, magandang araw. Mga ka-show up, ayan. Oxfordian, this is from Dasmariñas, Cavite. Diba? I love red. That's why lagi akong naka-red. Diba? I'm using always red this folder kasi I love red. Yung sounds na ginamit nyo, the music itself is the best naman to hear. But sinayang nyo yung, alam mo yung umpisa, boring siya kasi meron kayong sinayang na music. Dapat pag dance, huwag kayong magsayang ng minuto at saka pagkakataon na pag lumabas yung, tumugtog yung music nyo, dapat ando na yung pasabog nyo. Yung blockings nyo, medyo anggulo, yung mga tumbling-tumbling, parang hindi ko maintindihan. Pero yung choreography nyo, bongga naman siya. Yun na nga, kulang sa pasabog, walang excitement. Hayaan nyo, malay nyo, magustuhan kayo ng mga televiewers natin. Vote lang ng vote, just log on www.showupnangbayan.
Ayan. Thank you, judges. So overall, lahat ng mga judges natin, Mark, nagustuhan nila yung costume, di ba? Medyo Christmassy na kayong mga dating nila, di ba? And yung choreography, di ba? So lahat naman sila nag-agree doon. Kaya naman, kayong mga televiewers and followers sa Facebook, just log on to www.facebook.com/showupnangbayan at i-like nyo lang ang video ng ating first contestant.
And stay tuned kasi meron pang isang grupo na magpapasiklab. Dito lang sa Show Up, ang bagong game show ng bayan!
Ang bahaging ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Heaven Salon, Magical Placenta.